Ready? Okay, we're completing the square. On this problem, we're going to complete the square. All right, it's really, really, really simple. When they give you a problem that looks like this, where you're missing the third term, they're asking you to fill in the third term to complete the square. This goes with what we just did with perfect square trinomials. We said that this number right here
doesn't have to be double the number over there.
So we're going to have it and then square it. Okay? So this was our b, basically, right there. So we go b divided by 2, and then we're going to square it. And every time you follow that, it's that simple. Okay? So in this case, what is b?
10.
Negative 10
Well, yes, 10 still.
divided by 2. What's negative 10 divided by 2? Negative 5. Negative 5 squared is how much?
25.
25. Positive or negative? So you put plus 25, and now we have a perfect square trinomial.
Did you just say that?
Now let me tell you, it's really important that you listening? It's really important that you remember this number right here that you got before you squared it. Okay? Because later on they're going to say, okay, now I want you to write it in factored form. So in factored form, this would be x, and then what's here? Minus 5 squared. And this is the shortcut. We know it's a perfect square trinomial because we designed it that way. And then we factored it because we know that it's x, it's the a minus b squared. Okay? And so in this case, we do x minus 5 and we square it. Okay? Let's do this one. Right here. Tell me, what are we going to have for b over 2?
30 divided by 2.
30? The top one here. 6 over 2. And 3 squared, you said that's 9. So what are we going to put in the blank here?
Positive 9.
Plus 9. Now if I said, hey, what is this in factored form, what would I write? X plus 3 squared. Exactly. Okay? Let's do it. We got a few more. Okay, so what are we going to do here? What's going to come out right here? We should know it immediately. What number comes out right there? Do it in your head. 2 divided by 2 is?
1.
1 squared is?
1.
Is it positive or negative?
Positive.
So we put a plus 1 here. Okay? Now, equals, and we have to put it in factored form. You said x plus 1. Is it because this was 1? No. It's because 2 divided by 2 was 1. On my desk over there. Okay, let's do the next one. See how easy they get? This one's a little harder because it's a bigger number. What are we going to have to square?
30.
Nope. Negative
It's still a 30.
divided by 2.
The negative 15?
Negative 15 squared, I'm going to tell you, is 225. So we put plus 225 here. That's a perfect square. So that comes out to x minus what? What did we get when we divided by 2?
225.
Not 225.
I mean,
The square root of 225. Yes. 15 squared. Okay? All right, the next one. Real quick. Shh, guys, paying attention, please. Paying attention. Keeping focus. Okay? What is it going to go over here? Yes, that's 14. You said 49? Positive 49. And so what does this come out to if I factor it? X minus 7 squared. Perfect. Last one, and then we're going to move on to a different idea. $100, you said? Plus 100. And then what is it if we take The factors are x plus 10, you say, squared. That's exactly right. Hope everybody wrote all of those down. Hope you wrote all of those down.